Hello everyone, welcome back to my philosophy journey. And in this video, we're gonna talk about on translate Hindi to English, some daily use sentences, so that we can become more fluent in English. And we don't have to think in English. We don't have to think in Hindi before answering any random question. So these Hindi to English translations will encourage you to directly think in English rather than forcefully thinking in English and then translate it into Hindi, right? So yeah, so you should practice these daily to become more fluent in English. So yeah, this is. So मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. Okay. क्या तुमने मेरी बात पर ध्यान दिया? Okay. दिया. Did you listen to my? Did you listen to my words? Did you listen to my words? वह मुझसे बात किए बिना चला गया. He went. He went before talking to me. He went before नहीं. He went without talking to me, right? Without talking to me. Without talking me. Without talking me. Without talking me, right? Without talking me is correct, right? मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि वह क्या कह रहा है. I didn't understand. I didn't understand what I didn't understand what he's saying, right? Firstly, the spelling of didn't is didn't, and what he was saying. क्या तुम मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा सकते हो? Could you uh, wake me up early? Wake me up early in the morning. Early in the morning. मैंने उससे कई बार समझाने की कोशिश की. I tried explaining. I tried explaining. So many times. What times? I tried explaining him so many times. मुझे डर है कि हम लेट हो जाएंगे. I freak or fear out. I feared that we're gonna late. We will be late. We will be late. उसने मुझसे मदद मांगी. Asked me for help. He asked me for help. आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा बीता. Today was बीतना means sunrise and sunset. So what is this happen? Today was a very good day. Today was बीता. Today was or today is very good day. It's a very good day. Let's check the answers. I don't know. I think the last one will be. I don't think what's the correct beat now. Means happened. Beat now means happened. Na this ये मेरे साथ बीत रहा है. It happened to me, right? Okay. I was waiting for you. Did you listen to my words? Did you pay attention to what I said? Okay, did you listen to me carefully? Did you listen to me carefully? Or did you listen to my words? Sound a bit unnatural. The Hindi sentence, क्या तूने मेरी बात पर ध्यान दिया, is better translated as pay attention to what I said. Okay. Did you listen to what I said? Did you listen to me what I said? Okay. Oh, got it. He went without talking to me, right? Means this is taking this by mistake, by typing mistake, right? It's not intellectual mistake. And I didn't understand what he was saying. Could you wake me up early in the morning? Could you wake me up early tomorrow morning? Okay, if implied. I tried explaining so many times. I tried to explain to him. I tried to explain to him so many times. Okay, whenever we use forget, tried, or assume, then we can't. Then we didn't use dot ing or gerunds. We use proverbs, like to explain, to I forgot to bring this to bring. I forgot bringing this. Nahi hai. This is not I forgot bringing. So similarly, here we use I tried to explain. Okay, so I will remember about it. That tried is not that. Is we are not doing this. We wanted to do, but we didn't do, right. You speak very fast. Speak a bit slowly. You speak very fast. Speak a bit slowly. Oh, where is this? Five. Oh, I missed one, right? तुम बहुत तेज बोलते हो, थोड़ा धीरे बोलो. You speak very fast. You speak very fast. Speak a bit slowly. Okay. I feared that we will be late. I was afraid that we would be late. We would be late. Instead of will, in reported speech. Oh, in reported speech or past speech, we use word. I feared or I afraid. Fear is another. Means we can use afraid rather than using fear, because afraid is most commonly used. He asked me for help. Today is very good day. Today was a very good day. Yeah, I was thinking of was, right. You saw in the answer, right. So yeah, today was a very good day. Means acha beeta, right. Okay. Thank you so much for the video, and please like, share and subscribe too, and you can also follow the playlist. um, I will you can go to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it, and in the playlist section please refer to the Hindu to English translation sentences for daily use sentences. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube. Bye, thank you.